Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The Electoral Office of Jamaica, EOJ, said them add 16,592 new names to the latest National Voters List. Dancehall producer Shabdan get bail when him go before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. The health people them in South Africa said the new Omicron variant take over the country and has spread quick. Elaine Thompson-Hira, who just won the World Female Athlete for the Year, said she set her mind for about the 100 and 200 meter record them in our 2022 season. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Braadkyaas Jamiekan to hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full story them. The Electoral Office of Jamaica, EOJ, said them add 16,500 new names to the latest National Voters List. Them people can vote in any election we keep. Plus, them are going to get the new voter ID card which will expire December 31, 2031. The EOJ said them put out the November 30 list and nearly 2 million people depend. On top of that, the EOJ said my beg people for come collect them new ID card because the card them not going to have no use come December 31, 2021. People who not renew them all ID yet can go in a them constituency office and do it. Dancehall producer Shabdan get bail when him go before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. Shabdan, who for real name Linval Thompson Jr., get charged for against the Corruption Prevention Act after the police say him did give one policeman money for make one gun go missing with them find in him car. Him get $450,000 bail under certain condition. Him a go back to court on January 20, 2022. Police lock up and charge one man after them find one AK-47 assault rifle and 45 bullets in a one operation where them do in a Betheltown, Westmoreland, on November 23. The man at 27 years old Kemar Maris or one electrician. Them charge him for have gun and bullet where him not have no license for. As according to the police report, around 12:30 p.m., them did upon operation in the area when them search him house and find the gun and bullet them under one coconut tree. The police said them charge him after them asked him some question. Them a set one court date for him. Police lock up and charge one man after them find one AK-47 assault rifle and 45 bullets in a one operation where them do in a Betheltown, Westmoreland, on November 23. The man at 27 years old Kemar Maris or one electrician. Them charge him for have gun and bullet where him not have no license for. As according to the police report, around 12:30 p.m., them did upon operation in the area when them search him house and find the gun and bullet them under one coconut tree. The police said them charge him after them asked him some question. Them a set one court date for him. Gunman shot and kill one man in a Montego Bay, St. James. The dead man a Christopher Kerr or one bees farmer who come from Cambridge in the parish. As according to the police report, on Wednesday, Mr. Kerr sit down in a car in an anchovy when gunman drive past and shot him up enough time. The police managed to stop the car upon the Bogue Main Road and one shoot out one. The gunman them run left the car and get away. News from foreign. The health people them in South Africa said the new Omicron variant take over the country and has spread quick. Yesterday, the country said them have 8,500 new cases and this almost double the case them what them did have Wednesday. Right now, South Africa said them in a them fourth wave of the virus. On top of that, South African National Health Department said the amount of people who in a hospital gone up. Omicron, they in a 24 country now. Now for sports. Elaine Thompson-Hira, who just won the World Female Athlete for the Year, said she set her mind for about the 100 meter record with 10.49 seconds and the 200 meter record with 21.34 seconds in a 2022. She said she going to look on the next 3 seasons because she want to win everything at the World Championship in Oregon in a 2022 and the one in Budapest in a 2023 and the Paris Olympics we are keep in a 2024. Tom Zahira turned the third Jamaican woman to win the World Female Athlete of the Year award. Merlene Atty did win it in 1990 and Shelley and Fraser Price win it in 2013. People, remember the curfew from 9 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just gave the news in the Jamaican language.